Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
And we wanted to show you something that we do that we love, and that's actually really good for us.
Salad dressings. We do a lot of our own homemade salad dressings.
And the reason is because there's a lot of preservatives in salad dressing. I mean, antifreeze is actually in salad dressing, and that's used as an emulsifier for the dressing so it doesn't separate. And so we're going to show you one that is pretty amazing, and it's really tasty too.
We whip it together often. So it's like a garlic vinaigrette dressing. So first of all, you just take your garlic and you just take the cloves, take a couple cloves of garlic. Okay, that one didn't work as well because there's no, it's a cool way to be able to peel it. Okay, so a couple cloves of garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper.
A little bit of avocado oil, which is a little bit of a better fat for you.
You can use olive oil too if you want. I'd go more than that.
Okay.
And then I like using red wine vinegar. You can really use any vinegars, but I find the red wine tastes really good with this combination. And we put it in a jar and we whiz it up. Now, you can chop up the garlic if you want to, but this is just so much easier. If I get the garlic.
So this, you can actually mix it up yourself and squeeze the garlic with the back of a spoon with your salt and pepper, or you can actually whip it up like this, and it makes a creamy dressing for any salad of choice. So
there it is.
Arugula, just a green salad. You can make it with a beet salad, a carrot salad. All of those salads are great with this dressing.
It's really that easy. It's a quick vinaigrette dressing, and you can use it as a dip for carrots too, or just use it for anything you want. Great for rice too.
Exactly. So remember that
you can do it too.